What is up guys, Done at the site. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your GitHub to your Replit account. So first you need to head over to your Replit and then log in with your Replit account, and after that you need to go to your recent apps. But if you haven't created, you can create one by just clicking on this plus icon and then creating your new app by just giving the command. Now let's move to the main portion of the video, which is to connect the GitHub. So I am here in my recent application. Simply click on this plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, you need to click on Git. After clicking on Git, here the Git window will open. And when the Git window is open at the top, you need to click on the settings view. After clicking on settings view, here you will see the button to connect to GitHub. Simply click on this and then just connect your GitHub account to your Replit. As you can see, the install and authorize Replit. Just simply click on install and authorize and then just simply enter your email, password and other credentials, and then it will connect your GitHub account to your Replit account. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.